mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, December the 16th, 2020. It's a C day. Please rise and help me recite the Texas Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas Pledge. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, our first and second graders completed their semester math exam. Nice job! I saw you working hard, making sure that you had your cameras on, and we're doing an amazing job. Reminder, second grade group Boston, you'll be taking your second grade reading semester exam today. So you're going to do amazing. Keep up the great work. Also, don't forget, winter break starts on next Monday. Next Monday, you start winter break, and we'll see you back here on January the 5th. Also, Friday, you can wear your pajamas. You can wear your pajamas on Friday. Super excited to see all your fun pajamas. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!